Yung assessment po, complete na po sila according to the report.
Yes, yes, but you need a multidisciplinary team.
Wala pa, sir. Wala-
Okay.
wala
So yan
pa.
yung nasa pipeline for the next,
Yes.
this year lang yan.
Opo.
Yung tatlong yon.
Opo, sir.
Oh, so ano yun na yung nangyari sa tatlo? Kung wala pang MDT.
Operation na naman siya, sir,
How
through
can it be
LGUs.
operational when you don't have an MDT?
Yun na nga, sir, to be honest, that is really the struggle nung namin sa NCR. Nagkaroon ng building, pero hirap kaming makipag-partner sa LGUs or yung mga assessment.
Bakit yun nung napili? As the first ILRCs in Metro Manila kung hirap pala yung coordination.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
ang criteria po for ILRC would be the highest number of enrolled LWDs in that locality, accessibility po sa mga nearby schools, then there is a specification in terms of the area, and some legal requirement in terms of the ownership. So ito po yung mga naunang tatlo na pumasok po sa criteria natin.
DOH, do you have, were you consulted on these 3 locations? So meron na bang developmental pediatrician in that MDT? Meron na bang occupational therapist? Kasi kung wala lahat yun, I am wondering what MDT you are talking about. DOH, na-consult na kayo dito. Have you approved the building that they are using?
Sir, as far as I'm concerned, sir, hindi po. But
Hindi
I don't
pa.
know what there is. But I
But
don't
this
know,
is
sir,
an
kung
interagency
other
coordinating ano.
offices.
Pasensya na. But ano hindi nila alam. And you were sent here because you are the focal person for inclusive education, I assume.
Sir, I'm one of the focal person because I'm handling the disability program. But the rest of
Yes.
the team, sir, from the different programs like mental health, nutrition.
But this
health,
committee can
lifestyle.
be confident enough that you are and you are knowledgeable of what is happening with respect to the side of DOH.
Sir, I'm aware that there's an ICC, interagency po, committee, and Department of Health is one of the chair of that IACC. But also in the roadmap, sir, we're also participated in the workshop, although we're coming from the different programs within the Department of Health, sir.
Asik Jerome, paano tayo?
Mr. Chair, just like to say na doon po sa ating tatlong locations, sa amin pong record ay partially operational siya, and the MDTs are coming from partnerships from universities and other health agencies po. So merong MOA, yung mga ILRCs natin, not complete sa buong MDT na kailangan natin, pero meron na po mga professionals na nakapartner natin.
When we were crafting the law, may enumeration, alam ko may enumeration yung batas nung mga kinakailangan na sa MDT. And a developmental pediatrician was exactly put in there because our understanding when that law was created was sila yung perfectly within the realm of being able to assess, especially kung intellectual disability. But now I'm hearing something different. Can you confirm this is something acceptable to the Department of Health?
Sir, at the moment, sir, we have an issuance through administrative order in terms of categorization of disabilities po. One of the, for instance, we have the intellectual disability and learning disability. So from that issuance, sir, last year, 2025, upon consultation with the professionals, aside from the developmental pediatrician, that can diagnose children with disabilities, but also psychiatrists and also neurologists, sir.
Under the multidisciplinary team, we have a developmental pediatrician, a neurological pediatrician, because baka na-state na sa amin nun. But now I'm hearing we have physical therapists who can assess.
Sure, I know. Not the physical therapist, but the physiatrist, the rehab doctors also.
Is that, can you confirm that, DOH? Pwede rin sila mag-ano?
As far as I remember, sir, our issuance don't have physiatrists to detect intellectual disability and learning disability. But a physiatrist or a physical rehabilitation doctor can diagnose under the physical disability, sir.
So why did the DepEd allow that? Eh, akala ko pareho kayong
Sir,
coordinating body.
sir, the issuance only signed last August 2025, sir.
Yes, without meaning wala akong I just don't want any parent to question us. That is why merong listahan. In fact, dun sa mismong batas naglagay kami ng listahan But based on your own roadmap, wala naman pala kayong doon, developmental pediatrician or neurological pediatrician, but you are allowing them? Out of curiosity lang, baka meron ako na-miss lang that I can explain to any parent who asks me.
Based on the list po, physical therapist lang po ang nakalagay sa amin.